Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng UST Golden Tigresses ang UE Red Warriors 25-15, 25-21, 25-16. Best player of the game si Josh Ibanez matapos humakot ng 18 points mula sa 17 attacks at 1 ace na may 11 excellent digs at 7 excellent receptions. Wagi naman ang DLSU Green Spikers kontra sa Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-21, 23-25, 26-24, 25-19. Best player of the game si Vince Maglinaw sa likod ng kanyang 19 points mula sa 17 attacks at 2 blocks na may kasamang 9 excellent digs at 7 excellent receptions. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinataob ng UST Golden Tigresses ang ULED Warriors 25-19, 25-9, 25-17. Best player of the game si Angeline Poyo sa likod ng kanyang 25 points mula sa 21 attacks, 1 block at 3 aces. Panalo din ng DLSU Lady Spikers kontra sa Ateneo Lady Eagles 25-12, 25-12, 25-18. Best player of the game si Tia Gagati sa likod ng kanyang 16 points mula sa 10 attacks at 6 blocks. Heto ang game schedule ngayong April 24, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magharap ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Inyo Bulldogs at FEU Tamaraws alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang Ateneo Lady Eagles at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang FEU Lady Tamaraws alas 4 ng hapon. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 21, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 12 wins 1 loss. DLSU Green Spikers 10 wins 3 losses. NU Bulldogs 10 wins 3 losses. UST Golden Spikers 8 wins 5 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 6 wins 7 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins 9 losses. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 12 losses. UE Red Warriors 1 win 12 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of April 21, 2024. NU Lady Bulldogs 11 wins 2 losses. DLSU Lady Spikers 11 wins 2 losses. UST Golden Tigresses 11 wins 2 losses. FEU Lady Tamaraws 9 wins 4 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 4 wins 9 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins 10 losses. UE Lady Warriors 2 wins 11 losses. UP Lady Maroons 1 win 12 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.